Let's look at our work problem review. Working together, Anjali and Beth can clean an attic in 6 hours. Had she done it alone, it would have taken Beth 9 hours. Find how long it would take Anjali to do it alone. So we have some information for Anjali and Beth, and we're going to organize it in a chart. I'm just going to say A for Anjali and B for Beth. And then for each of them, I want the hours worked times the job, part of the job completed in 1 hour. And then I will know the part of the job that they completed. Okay, so for Anjali, she worked 6 hours, and for Beth, she also worked 6 hours because the problem said they can clean an attic together in 6 hours. Now, had she done it alone, it would have taken Beth 9 hours. So I know that Beth does 1/9 of the job every hour. That means in 6 hours, she did 6/9 of the job. Now, the problem is asking me how long it would take Anjali to do it alone. So I don't know what part of the job she does in 1 hour because X is the amount of time she needs to do the job by herself. So the part complete is 6 over X. Now, if I take the part that Anjali did and the part that Beth did, then I will get one complete job. So I can say 6 over X plus 6/9 equals 1. Again, I'm going to write this equation, 6 over X plus 6/9 equals 1. There's many ways of solving this equation. We can multiply both sides of the equation by 9x. Or we could subtract 6/9 from both sides. We can realize that 6/9 actually reduces to 2/3. We'll do that. Okay, and then I'm going to subtract 2/3 from both sides. So I'm going to get 6x equals 1/3. And now multiplying both sides of the equation by 3x or cross multiplying, either way you look at it, you're going to have x is 18 hours. And that's the solution to this problem. My next problem is similar. It takes Jill 12 hours to tar a roof. Sanjay can tar the same roof in 18 hours. How long would it take them if they worked together? Again, I will organize my information in a table because that helps me to be organized and see what needs to be done. So the first question is, how long did they work together? So time worked together. And I don't know that. That's how long would it take them. That was the question, so I'll say X. But I do know how long it would take each of them if they were working individually. So I know their hourly rates. So the time, the part of the job in 1 hour, and so in 1 hour. So for Jill, it takes Jill 12 hours to tar a roof. That means that she does 1/12 of the job every hour. Sanjay can tar the same roof in 18 hours. It takes him 18 hours to do the job. That means each hour he does 1/18 of the job. So the part that each completed, considering that their rates would be the same, part completed for Jill is x over 12, and for Asanji, it's x over 18. So again, my equation here is x over 12 plus x over 18, and that gives me one complete job. Now I have to solve this equation. Well, I have fractions here that have a common denominator of 36. So I will multiply each one of these by 36. What I do to one side of the equation, I must do to the other side. So I'm multiplying this 1 by 36 also. And I get 3x, that's a 3, 3x plus 2x equals 36, or 5x equals 36. So x is 7 1/5, which is 7.2 hours. And that's how long it takes them to work together.